Once again, it's the Corvette Boys, and you're watching Corvette TV. Just came back from the Ott Miller Natural Glass Corvette show. As you can see here, we got the first place trophy. Their judging is so crazy. It's like Barrett and Miller. I'm going to take you a quick walk through, and we'll let you know the things that they look for during while judging during the show. This is one thing they look for. They want to know that your filler pipe is clean. Okay, see that. Now I'll take a look here. We want interior to be spotless, no spots. Everything detailed. Door jambs clean is a must. Interior is fully detailed. The waterfall is clean. Okay. I'm going to take you back out here. Look, the engine compartment is fully detailed. It's completely clean. Get a look at that. Every hose is fully detailed. Everything is absolutely clean. We'll take a walk around, get a look at the paint. Absolutely no rock chips, not a speck of dirt. Okay, now we'll get a look at the wheels. Look at those wheels, fully detailed. You see my reflection in them. Look at that. You see my reflection in the wheel and in the disc. Everything is fully detailed. Take a look at the back wheel. Once again, we're fully detailed. Get a look at that barrel. It's clean from the front straight out through the back. Everything's in place. Clean right down to the tire cap, y'all. Get a look at that. And in addition, the trunk has to be spotless too. There's gonna be nothing in the trunk. I just left this first place trophy in here so I can let you get a look at what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom in on that. By the way, this is a show. Bunch of real nice guys. A lot of nice cars. They do it every year in September. It's at Ott Miller. It was formerly Connor Chevy. Now it's Ott Miller. Real nice car show. Check it out if you're in New Jersey. It's always in September. And you want to get a look at these exhaust tips too. Now they're not as clean as they were a few minutes ago before leaving the show, but they're really clean still. And that's just a quick walkthrough of what they look for in the natural glass, the car show. Everything must be spotless, nothing in the glove case. Let me walk you around here. You have nothing inside the glove case, no papers. I don't even keep my insurance or registration information inside of there. It's absolutely clean. Even the owner's manual is detailed. Look at that. So, that about completes this video. Just giving you a quick crash course and what they look at. I consider this to be one of the most hardest judged shows in New Jersey. You got a lot of nice cars. The competition is crazy. And if you get to the point where you're in the top 2 or 3, there's only first, second, third trophies. What they'll do at that point is they'll send the master judges out and they'll take a second look at your car. And I mean, this is just the cream of the crop at this point. And they'll make the decision, they'll break the ties. And at that point, you'll either be first, second, or third, or you'll get moved out of the bracket and you won't place it off. So, just a quick crash course of what they look for. Natural Glass Corvette show. If you're in New Jersey, I suggest you check it out. They do all types of cars, hot rods, everything, but They got a bunch of Corvette classes, and they group them into years, so it's really something that you want to see. September in New Jersey every year. Connor Chevy, formerly Connor Chevy, now it's Ott Miller Chevy. You want to check this out. It's the Corvetteboyz quick crash course. First place trophy. This is what you need to look like. Get a look at that one more time. And it's another kill for the ghost. Just killing them. If it's your first time visiting the channel, hit that like button. Do subscribe. Until next time, we're going to see you again. Corvetteboyz.